part of the track team at Salem Middle School. I was born with a bad leg. When I walked, it took my left leg a little longer to catch up with the right one than it should. The doctor said I would never walk right again. Boy, were they wrong. As soon as my parents decided to have the procedure done to fix the problem, I took right off and never stopped. Now I play all kinds of sports in school. Even though my coaches thought at first I wouldn't be able to, I sure proved them wrong. My favorite event of all in track is hurdling. This is where you run really fast and then jump over hurdles, which are kind of like little fences that are in your way. Whoever can do it the fastest is the winner. It takes a lot of practice, but that's okay. I love to hurdle. One time, I was racing to win the conference meet. I was having one of the best races of my life. This was a 2-round competition. After the first race, I was in the lead, and there was just only one other racer even close to me. His name was Jacob. All I had to do was have a decent second run, and I would win. Just one more good run. I knew I could do it. The first half of my last run was great. I was setting a new record. Then, well, I don't know what happened, but I caught my foot on something right before I went to jump. This made me knock the hurdle down and fall. I laid there on the track for a second and thought, why did this have to happen to me? I was so close to the finish line. I got up and finished the race, but I didn't try my best. I knew the championship was lost. What I hadn't realized was that Jacob had been one hurdle behind me, and he had tripped too. So I thought to myself, hey, he fell too. I might win after all. But I didn't win. Jacob beat me anyway. And you know why? Because he got up as fast as he could and finished trying his very hardest. He beat me, even though he fell. Well, actually, he didn't beat me. I beat myself because I gave up. And that is when I learned one of the most important lessons in my life. In life, it doesn't matter if you fall down or fail at something. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone fails or falls down. The difference is how fast you get back up. Never give up. Always try your best and learn from your mistakes. I guarantee you the next time I fall in a race, I'll get up as fast as I can and do my best to the very end.